So I was working on my website and ran back across an old post of mine on the garlic cheddar cathead biscuits and thought, I want some of them. But then I was thinking, why don't I just go ahead and make supper? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with a recipe. I've got my 2 cups of the self-rising flour. I've got 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream. I've got some garlic. I've got some cheese to make my cathead biscuits, but I also have some chicken strips, some chicken tenderloin, and a couple of cheap cans of cream of chicken soup. And what I'm going to do is make me some sort of casserole looking deal. Okay, so all I'm going to do is take my chicken and throw it in an 8x8 cooking dish. Wash my hands. Alright, then I'm going to pour over the top some cream of chicken soup. Oop. Oh, that's appetizing. Let's add a can of water to that. Probably didn't need to add quite so much water, but better safe than sorry. Back to my biscuits. Throw in some garlic. It's tick season, so I added a lot. Add some cheese. I'm fat, so I added a lot. And then add the whipping cream. And we'll just stir. Now I got a real sticky dough, and I'm just going to put it in spoonfuls onto my chicken. I've got my oven preheated to 350, and I'm going to cook it for about 45 minutes and see what happens. I bet because of the chicken it probably needs to go a little longer than that. There you go. It looks pretty good, don't it? I know it tastes real good. I think it turned out just right. That 45 minutes at 350 degrees turned out to be a perfect guess. And since this little technique works pretty good, I'm going to try it with some other stuff probably tomorrow.